Wait! Before you click away, what if I told you people are making thousands of dollars every month buying and selling something that costs less than a pizza? I'm talking about domain names, the most overlooked goldmine of 2025. Look at this. A guy bought harriswalls.com for just $10 in 2020 and sold it for a whopping $15,000 when Kamala Harris picked Tim Walz as her running mate. That's a 1,500x return. And he's not alone. Everyday people are building 100,000 plus yearly incomes, flipping domains, while you're still searching for the perfect side hustle. Here's the brutal truth. While you're overthinking complicated business models, others are quietly building wealth with domain names. The digital real estate gold rush is happening right now, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim your piece of it, even if you have zero experience and just a few dollars to start. Stick around, because the domain strategy I'm about to reveal could be worth thousands to you this year alone. This isn't theory. It's a proven system that's creating financial freedom for regular people just like you and me. I know what you're thinking. Is this really as easy as it sounds? Look, I get it. Maybe you've tried drop shipping and got overwhelmed with inventory. Maybe you tried affiliate marketing but couldn't get traffic. Or perhaps you've dabbled in crypto only to see your investments tank. The truth is, most online business models have steep learning curves, high startup costs, or require specialized knowledge. But domain flipping is different. With just a few dollars and some smart research, anyone can start building a profitable domain portfolio. What makes domain flipping so beginner-friendly and low-risk? You can start with as little as $10–20 per domain. There's no inventory to manage or products to ship. You don't need technical skills or coding knowledge. You can do it part-time from anywhere in the world. The domain market is constantly growing as more businesses go online. If you've been searching for a legitimate online business that doesn't require ridiculous upfront investment or specialized skills, you've found it. Before I show you exactly how domain flipping works, let me share a real-world success story that proves just how powerful this business model can be. Peter Askew purchased ranchjobs.com for $5,000, which might sound like a lot up front. But even without developing the website, this domain generated 500 to 1,000 visitors per month through type-in traffic alone. People were literally typing this domain directly into their browsers. Peter didn't need to create content or run ads. The domain's value came from its relevance to a specific niche. Eventually, he had the option to either sell the domain for a significant profit or develop it into a full website and generate ongoing revenue. This illustrates an important point. Domain investing isn't just about flipping quickly. Sometimes the real value comes from patience, holding on to domains and letting them appreciate like digital real estate. Another approach? Some domain investors use a portfolio strategy, buying dozens or hundreds of lower-cost domains. Even if only 10 to 20% of them sell for a decent profit, the returns can be substantial enough to make the entire portfolio profitable. Now that you've seen what's possible, let me break down exactly how you can start flipping domains yourself. Step 1. Find valuable domains. The key to successful domain flipping is finding undervalued or expired domains with high resale potential. Here's where to look. Expired domains. Websites like expireddomains.net list domains that people have abandoned. These can often be registered for standard prices despite having valuable histories, backlinks, or traffic. AI-powered brainstorming. ChatGPT has revolutionized domain investing. I can't tell you how much time this saves. Just ask ChatGPT to generate domain ideas for specific industries, and you'll get dozens of creative options in seconds. For example, you can say, generate 20 catchy domain names for a fitness coaching business, and then check which ones are available. Focus on the right characteristics. The most valuable domains are short and memorable, under 15 characters if possible, catchy and brandable, easy to spell and pronounce, relevant to popular industries, finance, e-commerce, tech, and health, free from hyphens and numbers, usually less valuable. With .com extensions, still the most valuable top-level domain. Step 2. Evaluate domain potential. Before purchasing, evaluate the domain's potential value by checking search volume for related keywords, industry demand, and growth potential. Similar domain sales, using tools like NameBio. Existing traffic or backlinks for expired domains. Trademark issues. Avoid domains that could infringe on trademarks. Step 3. Purchase your domains. Register your domains through reputable registrars like Namecheap, often has the best prices for new registrations. GoDaddy, largest marketplace for domain trading. Dynadot, popular with domain investors. Pro tip: start with a small budget of $100 to $200 to register 5 to 10 domains. This lets you test different types of domains without risking too much. Step 4. List domains for sale. Once you own promising domains, list them on popular marketplaces. Sedo, free listing, 10 to 20% commission. Afternic, free listing, 20% commission. Flippa, listing fee up to $499, 5% commission. BrandBucket, for premium brandable domains, $10 listing fee, 30% commission. Step 5. Maximize your domain's value. You can increase a domain's value by creating a simple for sale landing page, making your contact info available in the Who Is directory, developing a basic website with relevant content, parking your domain to earn revenue while waiting for buyers. So, what are you waiting for? The domain market is constantly expanding as more businesses go online every day, but the best domains are being claimed quickly. Here's your action plan to start domain flipping today. Set aside a small budget. Start with $100, $200 for your first few domains. Create accounts on domain marketplaces. Sign up for Sedo, Afternic, and expireddomains.net. Use AI to brainstorm domain ideas. Chat with ChatGPT to generate creative domain options for trending industries. Research domain availability. Check registrars like Namecheap or GoDaddy to see which domains are available. Purchase your first domain. Start with something in your area of interest or knowledge. Create a simple spreadsheet to track your domains, purchase dates, and target selling prices. List your domains for sale. Create attractive listings on domain marketplaces. Remember, domain flipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires research, patience, and some trial and error. But it's one of the few online businesses where the startup costs are minimal. You can start part-time. There's virtually unlimited potential. You are building assets that can appreciate over time, ready to start your domain investing journey. Drop a comment below on which marketplace you're most excited to explore. Make sure to subscribe to WealthWise Path for more tips on how to unlock the best money-making opportunities online. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Take action today and begin building your digital real estate empire. Stay tuned for even more tips in the next video.